My name is Kabir. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Bengaluru, India, and today I'm gonna show you my MadLibs game. This is a brief description about what a verb, noun, or adjective is, in case you don't know it by heart. So you can just quickly refer to this before you proceed with the game. Now I'm gonna show you the main code. So in the first line of the main code, it says name is equal to input. Enter a name. What this basically means is whatever you input into your computer, it will store that in a variable. Assume a variable is like a storage box that you will use to store your items. Similarly, till here, all of this is the same. The code is almost the same. Now let's get to the main story. So here I've just formatted it so it can go into separate lines using the /n syntax, as you can see over here, which will get a new line for you. So let me start reading the story. Once upon a time, there was a person named Name. Now you might wonder what this name is. So this name that's written in the curly brackets will actually take whatever you've stored in the variable name and output it here. So similarly, this format has been used across the entire story. Now let me run it and show you. Here you can see the brief description and you can read it. So enter the name. I'm gonna go with a random name. Let's say John. Enter the name of another person. Let me name someone else. Jimmy. Enter the name of a city or a country. Maybe let's say London. Enter the name of another place like beach, forest, etc. Maybe I'm gonna say the park. Enter another place. Maybe the forest, the jungle. Enter an adjective. Cunning. Enter another adjective. Smart. Wicked. Enter an adjective that describes the type of behavior of person. So I'll probably say wise. Enter a verb that would describe an animal. And I'd say ferocious. Enter an adjective. I'll probably say maybe cute. Enter an adjective that describes how a day was. Interesting. I'm just gonna go with the examples. Enter a noun. Let's say chair. Enter another noun. Computer. Enter a verb in past tense. I'll say ate. Enter another verb. Maybe run. Talk. Walk. Sit. Associate with an animal. Chase. Enter another verb. I'll say, sleep. Enter another animal. I think I'll say Hamster. Enter another animal. I'll say tiger. I'll say here. We'll say friend. Name of a food item. Pizza. Handheld item. I'll say a phone. Store your things. I'll say bag. So here is the story. Once upon a time there was a person named John who lived in London. One day John found a cunning chair while he ate near park. This doesn't make sense at all. But yeah, that's how the story is supposed to be. Suddenly, a hamster appeared and started to run around the chair. John thought it was very smart. So John decided to be wicked and talk. After the adventure, John decided to go near a jungle. John met Jimmy, who was his friend, who was acting very wise, whom with he decided to go near another jungle. At the jungle, he smelled the smell of pizza. He felt like snatching the food, but his friend told him to resist his temptation. After their visit to the jungle, they decided to walk. Then they got chased by a ferocious tiger. He said, "Quick, we must hide behind the computer." But the tiger was too cute and started to sit right toward them. Jimmy pulled out a phone from their bag and used it to chase the tiger. The tiger stopped, blinked, and suddenly started to sleep instead. John and Jimmy looked at each other and burst out laughing. That explains why. "This was the most interesting day ever," said John. They both agreed never to go near the jungle and the park ever again. What a funny story that was. Anyways, thank you for seeing my demo video.